was your best friend, and now I'm just losing all of my senses, and I just can't go there. Yeah, I was your best friend, and now I'm just losing all of my senses, defenses. Yeah.
I thought it's house. I thought it's house. Put this one here. Tapos mo sa extra. Tsara kailang bali-bali. Kitchen. Sabi. Cute kaya kitchen ba yati. Ani paibog man nga balay para sa akong abay. Ay sa. La. Nice, ha? Cute. See that? Yes. Careful with your bobo. Hello guys. February 16. February 16 namin sa Straha karon. Friday. So, nako'y nakyutan. Tsada kay siya view na kami mga kurimaw eh. Pero open kayo siya sa nga tanan la. Tsada pa yung bangko. Tsada kayo. Yili. Tsada kayo. Tsada kayo kuhan. Tsada. I said, Be, if you want to eat banana, Be. Yeah.
Where's everybody?
You want to eat banana?
No.
Okay. Nara siya.
Maria,
Ay,
where's
sa.
everybody?
I don't, not yet. Ay, samo ko sa everybody. Tsada kay naanak ko sinang. Ay, sa. Dilapil ko. Cute cake, so Lord. Kami pa may niabot. Sabi saya. Kami pa kasi ang dumating. Kaya, ala lang. Change language na po tayo mga kabagtak. Kasi, ano na. Wala lang. Hindi na siya dedicated, ganun. Hindi talaga, ang ganda. Ang ganda, super. Kusina lang siya, nabukod siya. Kasi kema, yung kema nandun. Kung maintindihan nyo yung kema na pinagsasabi ko. Yan yung tinatawag na kema. O, dyan sila. Tapos dito kami sa... Dyan kami. Sana marami kami. Pero hindi kami makasayaw pag ganito. Oh, kanya akong ganahan, no? Ay, ito yung gusto ko. Yung tulad sa'yo, sugar alala mo. Bilat. Ito, ganda. 4 burner siya. Sige, duha ka cake. Dalawang cake pwede. Yes, hi baby.
Hi, everybody.
Hello everybody.
I'm gonna say hi to them. Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. What I'm gonna do today is show you this straw.
Yes, it's
Let's go show you.
Yeah.
Maria, did you show them the swing?
Yeah, not yet because your mommy is there. Baden, later.
I'll tell Mom.
No, kali. But you make your own. Para sa isang tao lang. Itong bahay na to para sa isang tao lang na hindi na nangangailangan ng partner. Ang saya. Sagdi sila sino kay sa lubo. Sabi, lingkod ako. Ay, nako. Wala lang, lingkod lang. Mag-swing na ko. Ano ba? Better, it's... Rahab. Have mercy on me. It's okay. Hindi tumawid sa ako ayati. Hindi daw mahawakan nung nangyari. Alam ko. Ayan na. Ayan. Hala! Hala ka! Si the... Unsa daw? Kunin ko. Diyan man ako ni.
Leia,
Naam.
I love learning English.
See the world. No.
This is too hard.
Baby.
I went to my sister's house to confront her about her Valentine's Day trip with my husband.
I'm going to show your parents how this Corvette is the best first car you can buy.
You did the Corvette? First car? No, I would cast the Corvette. And that's a Corvette is so expensive.
D.
Daniel.
E. E.
Give me a second.
Ecuador.
Edward.
F.
Bro, I know this.
F.
I know, give me a second. Ready. Next.
H. I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G.
You forgot. G.
G.
Gabe.
Gabriel.
Boy.
G. Gaya.
Gabe, yeah.
H. G. H.
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 I'm thinking.
Hector.
Hector.
H. I.
I. There is a boy.
I.
Icicle.
Ice cream.
There's no
H.
word.
I love E.
Really?
Aywa. Isko Moreno. Is.
It's not all this.
Ay, madre.
Mama, give me a boy name in I.
What? Here? Look, I will not sit. Yala.
Mama, give me a boy name in I.
I.
Give me a boy name in I. Elias. Okay, Elias.
Oh, so okay.
What are you guys looking at?
Or the Isaac.
Okay, Isaac.
Isaac. Awa, yala.
Next,
I, J.
Joseph.
Ha?
James. Joseph.
Okay.
Now,
Don't sit. Scared. Madre.
next,
Next,
J, K.
four, five.
K.
Kyler.
K, L.
Lily. Layla.
L.
No, Lily.
That's a boy name.
L.
Lulu is.
Lulu is a boy name now?
Madre, to you, Leonard.
Leonardo.
Ayan
You
sa'yo.
said Leonard. I said
L, Leonard and Leonardo.
Illa next.
L, M. M. Mario.
Sorry.
M. Maria. N.
Wait.
N.
Newton.
Okay, Nicholas.
Newton is the guy.
O. Oscar. Omar. P.
Alamo.
Aray ko. P. Peter.
Peter Patrick.
Peter Patrick. Q. Q.
Now we'll do R.
No, that's not.
Can I do R?
Okay.
Siri.
Ano pala ba ni
Siri,
Siri?
give me a boy name that starts with Q.
Cute. Then.
No, Quinzel. No, Quinzel is a boy name. Quinzel. So like highly.
R.
R. Rover.
Romeo.
Are you a boy?
No.
S.
S. Scorpio.
Sammy.
Sammy! Yay! Good job, Remo.
Next,
T.
Talan.
Talala.
Tyler.
what is?
Tyler is a dog.
No, kalas, you're in the letter T. Just now you're recording. Repeat ko ito. T. U. Finish it. U. B, W, X, Y, Z. Ha?
We will do gremlins.
Tanawara, marama kayo. Remo, do not jump there, B. Have water here, B. You will stuck in here.
Okay.
Now we're in the other way. I will not collapse. I want to sit down. I want to relax. A. Aray ko.
Alexandra.
Eh.
B.
B.
Benita.
Alexandra Antonita.
Benita.
Abi. Sama si B.
Abby.
Abi Miller. No.
Oh, that's like an A.
B. Who?
B. I did Benita.
Brenda.
Brenda. C. Selena.
Uh,
There is Selena spelled with a C.
okay, Selena. And what? Nasioni.
Is Kaylee one?
No, K is K.
No, there is Kaylee.
C.
C can literally replace S and K.
Serum. Serum.
Okay, anyways. D. Daniela.
D. D is darling.
That's not a name, that's a nickname.
There's name,
That's a
darling.
pet name.
D.
A real name. Who names your child?
Deborah.
Oh,
Deborah.
that's pretty. Deborah. Okay, next.
Deborah.
Oh, you could have done Dior.
Deborah.
Okay, next.
Next, E.
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 Daniela.
Ah,
No. I have still.
E.
Erica.
Elizabeth.
Okay.
Elizabeth.
F.
Yeah, I look later. F.
How many times do I have to say F?
F. F. Yo. Fatima.
Hey guys.
It was close. Wow.
So we'll do another picture. But there's nothing to talk. I'm sad.
Where?
Yalla, next class. No need video.
Y. F. Fatma.
Fatima.
A, B, C, D, F, G.
I'm not done. I didn't say anything.
Okay.
Phi. No. Phi is not.
Yeah, A.
No. V. V is a name.
Okay.
Phi, no. Phi is French.
Okay.
Wait.
Hala,
France.
tigiga.
What?
Sige.
People name them. People name them.
You.
What?
We have that, but we don't have Pinjan small.
Pinjin.
Madam,
Mama.
we don't have Pinjan small. Yeah. I will see there. Pinjan, we don't have Pinjan small. Cat in the house?
But it's fine. I brought it from the street. But do
Okay.
you know where the cat? Where's the cat now?
May pusa kayo sa bahay, be?
At home. They said we're not allowed to bring the cat. So we
Tapos, yan ang na-allergic siya?
lost the cat.
Sa mata niya?
Because the cat was cat me. Cat are you? Yeah, he's there. But my fish died. Pet. Also my fish died. Pet. You know my fish died also. You need did you get a crashy cat? My fish dead.
Remo's fish also dead.
Yes,
Two.
Not, and I got one green one pink one white one orange.
Yeah, I see it.
That's
I
all
see it. I see it in the old house.
Old home.
Yeah, in the old home. Aywa.
My bad.
I see it.
My bad. You see. Oh no, my fish is
Aray ko,
dead.
ato din, kumusta na ang buhay mo?
That's funny.
Nang pangit. Pangit dito. Kaysa dun sa dati.
Next to Yemen.
Yung dati natin tambayan.
My daddy's world.
Dito pag sila dito, doon tayo. Klarong-klaro tayo doon. Hindi tayo makakasayaw nito.
This is Canada.
Walang mangyayari sa aming dalawa nito. Hindi kami lalaki sa mundo. Aray ko.
Canada. You need to learn big equipment.
Diyan na sila dalawa.
That word, yeah, you know he's big. You know what's the very quickest country? Russia. Russia, yeah. You know which country is
Coming, I will. The Giga! Hello! Aray ko. I'm fine! Yeah, good. Come. Welcome. Madam here down, huh? Where the Maui? Where? Don't bring the Maui. Maui. Simple kay gwapa kayo yaki. Hala! Hello. Good, alhamdulillah. Come, Ibrahim. Come. Halika sa bisni ko. Ako na. Tahli. O ba din? Kamas na? Tayo. May dala kayong tubig? Ah. Ini siya, B. Look, may kayo. Hala. Hala rain. No. The thunder. Water again. Rahab. You look for the microwave in the kitchen.
You want me to go out again?
I bring popcorn. Two, is that okay?
I take off my shoes. Me too.
Wala na kayo. Wala lang yung life. Hey.
Not allowed to play outside.
Comb your
Only
hair.
there.
Maria, you come here before the rain.
We come. The first.
You said
We experience the rain.
I'm the same people.
Really?
X.
Fahad,
Xylophone.
I'll tell you something.
Like,
Why we sit there? It's a rainy day.
Really?
Yes. Look all of the floor. Water.
Remo, come here. Come here. Here is your Bagtak.
So don't go
Inside, this one I
outside.
will use this one.
Just there.
Okay.
Hi, boom, boom. Hi.
Hi.
Ba, ba, ba.
Ay, what you bring, Shahi?
Yeah.
What do you mean? But you know that's raining. The rain is not good. Yes. Why you spraying?
So it will be good. And
Look for the rain.
it's raining.
You know it's raining there. Raining. So don't go play outside. Only here.
Since yesterday, it's so good. So
Yeah.
Yes, it's
Hot
raining.
yesterday. The other day,
Yeah.
very cold. It's even
And
in
I
the
wear
afternoon.
jackets too.
Yeah.
Yesterday very cold in our home.
Wala ko nag-live, nag-video ako.
Ano po niya, yung palangga.
Alang. Stanley, B. Stanley.
It's better. What is called? Carpet.
Where's your water?
My car.
Get it. Nawa, kung hindi natin ito naisip yung ganito,
Why all of them want to be
kung ano, really, the skin in the
Give me
side.
an object that starts with A.
Ha? Amphibian. Alligator. Unsa pa?
A for Abby. Abby.
Abby Miller.
Abby.
We're together with the madam not.
Abby.
They're inside because of the rain. They're in the outside. We're in the inside. And then rain comes. Chili all the agrat.
Not allowed to play outside. Only there.
Here inside, so it will not be dirty.
Yes, because it's
And then, my God, I cannot.
because it's a rainy. Look over
Yeah.
there. Too many water.
Yeah, so many water. No, dito
Yes.
I cannot live together with them. My God.
Actually,
My life is not like their life.
you got. Oh my God. You got one card.
I really am thinking what to do. I tell Rahab, yala Rahab, I want microwave because I have popcorn put in microwave. I want to be, I want to be happy. Halag ka happy. Nakalimonsito. Nakakita ko limonsito. Ay, kwa! Tara, nakakita ko limonsito. Ay, kwa, akyat. Pasag nila. Wala na.
That's not a car.
Jesus, ginuo ko madunggan ka diri. Ay, pag ket-ket dia. Oh, cute.
This is a big up.
Eh, di akitin mo.
Yes, look.
There, you give me an object that starts with D.
No, it's
What?
not a pick up. The name giraffe.
Object that starts with D? Damtak.
You know, this carpets come out nice. Right?
This.
You know what?
There, object that starts with E.
Object. What is it?
Now,
It's object. Electric fan. I have cubes.
And also, it's the door has to
The inside is peanut butter.
Look, I opened
And then
the door.
it needs shine.
I opened the door. And the back. And the back.
Warm. We don't have. We don't have anything there.
I
Ma'am.
can
Give Sammy a word that starts with E, which is an object and not an
You
animal.
have one card.
Starts with
Open
E.
the engine.
Elevator.
Open the doors. open the back like this.
Escalator.
So this
Ending.
open
Kasama ko ba?
engine.
Yala. Oh. Come, it can be.
But this
You eat already in the house? Soya. No, soya.
It's lunch and lots of lunch.
I tell you, we come here what time? 6 o'clock.
Ikaw na ba na, mother?
I have an idea. Each one have a yellow. Each one have their own. I have 7. Oh no.
Busit.
I can ask for
Carry the jacket.
Yes, and I got a chance for my shoes. Not my car.
Kapoy ganing magsige kag update unya imong kontra dili ka update. Pildi ka ana. Discuss kay na.
Opening. Oh, yeah. I got
Remo.
this car is a banana
Hey,
car.
Remo. You feel your bum cold, Remo?
It's just a car. Okay. I got 2 of my teams. 2 of my teams will be those cars. And this is your car. I have an idea.
Sword in the mama. In the mama the sword.
I am having flying
Where's the sword?
wings. I got fly wings too. Look, I can fly.
I tell you, we don't have space ourselves.
I can fly. Now I can fly. Baby. And you got a big mouth to eat things. Open.
Wala pangit kay istra. Before,
I
Remo.
got a big mouth to eat
Say
things.
sorry with the feet.
That.
You broke in the feet.
No. Oopsie. No.
Oopsie, Rano.
On this one, don't open the eating mouth. You can open this to eat. I have this to eat. And I have this.
Bakit ko sila sa damam?
I have. I can fly. I can fly and eat. You need to go down and close it.
Don't want to remove the shoes. Me also, I don't want to go there. I don't want to remove my shoes.
Yes.
Shoes, both shoes. I hate it.
Yummy. Yummy. My name. I call. Marine.
Asa na si Ibrahim?
Why? Look at the turkey.
Don't
It's
sit.
a bad monster eats you. No, this is my food. What did you eat?
No happy.
Let's play again. Can I wanted to. I'll get you one more chance. I mean chance. I have you food.
You want?
Food. Let's give it.
It's funny.
What's this you food?
It's bread.
Bread. You don't like bread? Okay, yeah, I do want bread.
What do you want?
I wanted the one in the down food. And I also want to eat this food.
This one?
Nope.
This one. You share with Fahad. Open it,
I
go.
got to like this one.
Okay.
Open it out of my hand. Can I see what it's again? I'll touch it. Thanks so much. Your hand. I'll show you my hand. Look.
Mamiss mo sila. Oh, ang mag-asawa.
Look at the cars.
Namiss mo na to, no?
Hey everybody, let's have a party.
It's in me.
Let's have a
It's in me.
party car.
Give me that. Don't throw it. Dilak ka.
Everybody, all of you cars, come. Everybody cars, let's dance.
Ingay.
I like the taste. You wanna have a party cars? No, dance.
This is gawa from the gawa Arabic.
You like it?
That is the cookie.
But I don't have sweet. Sweet is in the madam. Dito ka na. Come.
I just playing with you.
Kailan?
Let's make a
Oh, gusto mo ba?
party car.
Wala na, kunti lang tayo yun. Mga busog na yun. Wala tayong tsaa nga. May tubig.
Ayo si Patak og kaon doon kay Patak.
Don't get my car.
May tubig. Wala na dala. Tutmura.
Don't get corporate raptor Kamaru. When he do that, I would have a sport car.
Problema hong
Same people.
gusto kong kumain ng kanin.
Same people.
Tapos tinapay ang order, no?
Nakan lang.
Tinapay lang yung nandun, nakita ko eh. It's open. Yeah. It's open. Gago. Yummy. It's there now.
And you know what's in the car?
Unsa din ang inyo? Unsa din ang inyo? Load na? Pila yung STC mo load? Pila na?
175, 1 month.
So, sa una. 120, 3 months sa una.
Pila ka GB bike?
3 months. Amot sa ng GB bikes dira. Basta kay 3 months siya.
Ang ako 100 man mabutong sa kabuan na kay 3 months sila.
Mahal naman kayo. Dili na ko.
Pero sorry pero manggapon mother lahi nang load sa Pinas nga gilaglag.
O sa bagay, lahi diri.
Sa Pinas kay mahal lang.
Remo, give biscuit to Ibrahim be.
Right? Let's go. I give you cookies.
Give the biscuit to baby.
No.
Give. He don't understand that to go there. Give.
No, look at this one. Yes. 35 is cards. Yes.
No.
Bring my yellow card.
You have to give. Sharing is caring.
No, don't.
Animal. Remo,
What?
don't be greedy. Give me one. Give me one.
No.
Give me one.
No.
Give me one. That's mine. Oh, Ibrahim. Ako ginukumatakdan sa kalaugan.
You brought all our stuff. Not fair. Not fair. Right?
Who said not fair? All the food I bring, I will not give it to you. If you will not share.
There you want. There is for me. Where's the moon?
Karasi pila. Basa na no. Ikaw no. Sige. Inquiry.
No.
They hide. She hide. They hide.
Salamat mo namin diskarte.
Stuff. Not fair. Look, they brought all our stuff. Not
Wala,
fair.
gusto kong tsaa. Partner, anak, lagi tsaa lagi.
So we need to tell them to bring all our stuff.
Pa nagdala day kung iska stick mother mo kabalo nga magstraha di sila.
Okay.
Ako bright kay food ko.
Well, God, you know,
Sabi na kung iyang lahi
to
nga
hold somebody, you have to not steal it.
It's
Don't steal.
don't do like that. Listen,
All you have to say,
Remo.
can I get something? Yes. You're not
Remo.
allowed in the carpet now.
Remo,
Le.
I hate like that.
They are.
This is
making
baby.
steal
Shubi,
our
shubi.
stuff.
Listen, this is very baby. You must love it.
I don't like it.
Oh my God, Faudi. When you're very baby, I love you. When you're smaller than this one, I really love you, you know? You have to love him.
I was a
Okay.
baby. You came.
Yeah, you're a baby.
You came, but I didn't see you anywhere.
We see each other in straw. You're very small. See? Now you're big. So you have
Now
to...
I'm 5 years old.
Yes, you're 5.
No, I'm 5 years old.
Na magpasti nga, good morning pagkaon sa mga Arabi. Tara, wala na buwang ng mga mga pagkaon no, lami kay siya. Ako bilang,
Bayad kuha ka ng tubig bayad ito kay baby. Day, tubig ba?
Not allowed to go. It's free.
Wa man tay kape tubig.
tubig na lang to. You choose.
I love lunches. I love meatballs like these are meatballs. You can have it if I have
Pahad, do it.
What?
What do you want?
Which one you like? Not. No.
You don't want, you eat for you, pahod, eh?
Yes, I didn't
You
eat.
put for us. Ayun na. Ito sila, mayor sila, ilan na tanan? Kapoy ganing magsige kag update, unya imong kontra dili ka update. Pildi ka ana. Discuss kay na.
Oh, pennies. Oh, Rima.
Remo.
This car is a banana
Hey,
car.
Remo. You feel your bonbon cold, Remo?
It's just a car. Okay. I got 2 of my teams. 2 of my teams will be those cars. And this is your car. I am here.
Sword in the mama. In the mama the sword.
I am having flying.
Where's the sword?
I got fly wings too. Look, I can fly.
I tell you, we don't have space ourselves.
I can fly. Now I can see. Baby. And you got a big mouth to eat things. Open.
Wala, pangit kina-istrahan. Before,
I
Remo,
got a big mouth to eat
say
things.
sorry with the feet.
That.
You broken the feet.
Wow. Oopsie. You know,
Oopsie, Rano.
on this one, don't open start eating the mouth, you can open this to eat. I have this to eat. And I have this.
Bakit ito sila sa damam?
I have. I can fly. I can fly and eat. You need to go down and close it.
Don't want to remove the shoes. Me also, I don't want to go there. I don't want to remove my shoes.
Yes.
Shoes, both shoes. I hate it.
Yummy. Yummy. My name is Marie.
Asan na si Ibrahim?
Why? Look at the turkey.
Don't sit!
That monster eats you. No, this is my food. What? What did you eat?
No, happy.
Let's play again. I wanted to. I'll get you one more chance. I need chance. I have you food.
You
You
want?
food. Let's give it.
It's funny.
What's this? You food.
It's bread.
Bread. You don't like bread? Okay, yeah, I do want bread.
What do you want?
I wanted the one in the down food. And I also want to eat this food.
This one?
Nope.
This one. You share with Fahad. Open it,
I
go.
got to like this one.
Okay.
Open it out of my hand. Can I see what it's again? I'll touch it. It hurts so much. I'll show you my man. Look.
Mamiss mo sila. Dala, magkwala si... Na daw si Madam Arwa. Kung na si Madam Arwa, na sila ni Sir Cubes. Give me that! Dalang bata. Ay, oh.
Small buddy.
Ay, nas na to dito.
Can I give it?
Tubig dahil. Wala kang baby.
Ibrahim.
Apat tayo.
Ibrahim.
Bakit damaman? Give it. Okay? Pagpaso yun sa
Does
bag.
the baby,
Rami
does the
pa.
baby name Ibrahim?
Ay, wait. Give me the bag. Give me the bag. Give me the bag. Garbage. Don't throw the garbage. I need tissue in my life.
Yes, don't throw
Because
too
my
much.
nose.
Tiny Fahad. I got
If you eat, Fahad will eat. Ibrahim will eat.
Yes.
All will eat.
All of us will eat.
Yeah.
There you go, Daddy. So you need to share.
Yeah.
Sharing is caring.
Yeah, sharing is caring. Maybe that if you don't like it, it's okay.
Okay,
It's
you
okay. Give me.
want a cookie? Yes, you need. Yes, you need to eat to share. I like to share.
Give me that. Dude.
Antok ano siya?
Uy, ako'y palabay.
I like strawberry.
Yours. What you want?
Your white one. This one for all of us, right?
Yes, yes. You don't know how to open. Give me and I will open.
I can
Not like that, how to open. Broken your teeth. Give me.
Yes, your teeth will broken. You'll go to the hospital.
Yeah, in the dentist.
Guys,
And remove all the teeth.
no. And then I gotta be.
And then you'll be like me. Alas, no more teeth. Be careful. You like it, Ibrahim? Yan lang. Let's celebrate.
We're gonna celebrate inside the house.
Nami tea-girl.
Sweet.
Round tea-girl lang.
So sweet. Right. Strawberry.
Nami tea-girl.
Blurred man yung kuwan, mother, yung kamera.
Asa may blood?
Only one.
Asa may blood? Sa diis siya kung blood siya. Hinawayon pud ka na. Pasalamat ka. Dili ko ganang ito gamit atong isa. Oh, thank you.
Kaya bis pangit ba
Thank
tong
you.
nagkapangit?
Uy, guwapa kay Kuani, uy.
Imo ha mga mo.
Na nagdalugdog na sad. Daliman ra bagid kay niya magdalugdog. Oy, Nor Cubes, na asa naman mo? Ingon nila kay mga bot daw mo. Na kami ra gihapon upat. Unsa naman ni? Dili na mo ganahan pauban sa amuha.
Sabuan ba ta?
Suman magbulag na ta. Remove water. Don't go beyond the line of the carpet. Inside. Are you ready, Aladdin? You have to drive the carpet. Nami sa carpet sa do. Unsa ka katsada no kung mapareha kang Aladdin no, my god, the imagination of mine is very much expansion. I want the imagination. I want to imagine we fly there. You're the Aladdin.
I want to fly
And
like
then this
you.
Princess Jasmine.
want to
we're already
fly.
in the carpet. Yes. And
I'm the captain.
yes, you're the captain. You're Aladdin. And this one is the Princess Jasmine. And me, the Jabbar.
I am Superman.
Yay! Yeah.
And I'm Captain Superman.
Oh, tanawa, gwapa ka siya. Sige, dahil nga mga tsada mo. gid ni. Kung ako ginuko na dungog inyong dalugdog. Careful, careful.
Princess.
Kita gapon upat pa dir.
Tingnan ganita ka. Nagbulag na ta.
Superman.
Nauni ba?
Gara kay naong ba?
Superman, Captain.
Saan? Are you happy?
Superman. Yes. Come on, Princess, man.
Kumira ka. Yata yan. Kung lain na ni. Uy. Remo, your pom-pom.
It's lightning.
Yeah, it's lightning. Nagkilat-kilat.
Wait, why?
But ma, where is your bread?
Ah!
I see the lightning. I see the lightning. Wala.
Yes, there is
Ay, ginoo ko.
lightning.
Saba kayo ni. Napa? Gusto pa siya?
Turtle.
Asa mo turtle?
No.
Parang na ako ni katang away. Wala mga taling nagload.
Inana ka gyapon mi. Inana?
This might be no sugar, ha?
Yes, why sugar? Fish sugar, but not me.
Look away.
Good. Yeah.
This is. Listen, that's mine.
Careful with the phone. You have your water here, Remo. Don't be so loony. Give me that.
Lightning. Yeah. Coming. Why lightning? Coming lightning because there's a rain.
No, lightning is a camera that takes picture for us all.
No, lightning is dangerous. Lightning
Yeah,
will
yeah,
be
yeah.
rain. And after the rain stops coming, lightning.
Yeah. Huh? Again? You're happy? But then, don't let us...
It's lightning.
Wait, you don't want to
Fall down and bring it back.
Come on. Oh, let go.
Yeah, that's right.
Remo!
I'll tell
Not
you
yet.
something. Today is
Not yet.
lightning. Coming white at the sky. Are you Muslim?
I'm not Muslim.
For Philippines, there is Muslim. There is Philippines, there is.
Sabi pa ni Noemi, kali. It will go. Alis daw ang ulan na nabasa na kami. Talaga lang ah. Yay! Aray ko. Yumi, come! Come! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round.
I fixed the TV.
Yes, super pahad. Thank you.
Yes.
Hello. Time check is 11:50 now in the night. Naglalaro pa din kami, kung naririnig nyo. Nagtatawanan pa rin ang mga nanay namin. Mga nanay namin na mas matanda pa ako sa kanila. Andito pa rin kami, naglalaro pa din kami. Siguro uwi kami mga 12. 12 ng tanghali. Ay, no! Kami!
Hey guys.
Right,
She's ugly. She's ugly.
I'm ugly, but my heart is beautiful.
She's ugly, beautiful. Oh my god, thank you. You're talking about me. I'm your heart. That's why I hate you so much because I don't like being in you.
Come on.
No.
Give me! Uy! Where is me? Nasa bukan niya ako. Hello, careful, we have... Okay. No, don't swim me. Where are you going? Yeah, Chili, get the baby. Samo kay siya. Go. I don't know that game. That was from you. Yala. No, the older is watching. Bus. Hey guys.
Nerd, California.
2 o'clock nerd. Maybe.
Maria,
Yellow letters.
you want me to give you a summary of your life?
Okay, tell me the summary of my life. Wow.
Okay, I'll tell you the summary of your life. Hey, I'm a 97-year-old lady, and I have broken teeth because I ate too much I eat too much pumpkin seeds.
Pumpkin
But either way, I'm still a glory of ugliness.
A glory
I
of
will tell you my
ugliness.
life.
Halimaw na alaga to.
When I was born at a really young age.
Of course,
And-
we're young kids.
and I couldn't see.
I couldn't see the
talk, and
word.
In fact, I was screaming when I was born. I
Saan mo
couldn't talk.
screaming? Screaming, I cannot do.
My parents didn't even care. They didn't care that I was screaming and crying when I was born. I'm giving a summary of her life. And I was born bald. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't grow any hair. No hair follicles was found on my body. Other than the I'm giving her a summary of her life. Other than the hair that grown on
The
my
summarization.
Other
the
than I
summary.
couldn't find a single follicle of hair on my body.
Single
Other than-
follicle?
Other than the hair that grows on my pimple. But I like that pimple. His name is Billy. I had a crush on him since I was 8, but he never said yes because he doesn't know how to talk. Silly Billy.
Oh,
But
Billy.
I grew a really sad life.
Why?
When I was born, I was 97. And
Oh.
all this time,
97 plus 47 equals? Come on. You can do it.
Shut up!
Come on, you can do it.
Till this time,
Till this time.
I can't grow because I'm
What?
so old.
What is the game board you bring,
I don't think the world wants me to
Sammy?
do that.
What?
The game board, what's that?
You're interrupting me.
Okay.
I literally,
It's card, that. Old.
I think now I'm almost 100.
157.
I think I'm 198.
7, 14, 154. 144.
So I gotta win.
Na-feel na namin yung lamig. So, pasensya na kayo sa nagsasalita sa gilid ko dahil ganyan na talaga siya. She is what happened. She's making a story of herself.
My eyes are nothing but ugliness.
My eyes ugly sa kanya. Ginawa ko na nga tawa sila.